Hi guys, so we see that massive day for JPY. We can see that there was an inverted head and shoulder, and the market, in fact, reacted to the JPY news early today. So currently, we can see the market is again in a trend. So let's first look at again the overall picture in the market to see what's happening. As we saw that back to back 3 months significant drop on JPY to this monthly support level, and with that breakdown to the monthly support, the market now had a very strong bounce with the JPY news. So you can see that the price started to change that downtrend to an uptrend. Currently, this monthly price section, we can see that there is a strong reaction as the data has come out. We could see that now potentially JPY to bounce back up to the major direction of the trend. The price approaching the monthly resistance line is here, and expecting JPY after retest, we might see that again pullback, but I think potentially we might see a change of trend after this long 3 months of downtrend. If we look at the weekly this week, that we expected, this is what exactly expected in our previous weekly forex forecast as well. There is a doji formation followed by gap open, and from that zone the market managed to break out, and with the breakout currently it's approaching that resistance line. Now if we consider the weekly perspective, it's approaching that resistance line where there is a high liquidity, which is a very important liquidity zone, and we can expect here on that liquidity zone for the price to pull back and then to potentially bounce back up to create a new higher high in this market. Dropping down to the daily chart here on dollar yen, we can see that from the daily, from this support level here, this is a daily impulse with a stronger momentum. There is a daily doji here with a, we can see that the price tested the daily support, and then there is a strong bounce crossing the daily 20 m. The price is approaching that level, and this is an important level of resistance here. There is a high liquidity, expecting JPY potentially to continue to trend, and we may see that the price is going back up to 151.2930 level, or even breaking that high. That's what I expected. Now looking at the intraday, especially the 4 hour and 1 hour, we can see this is a 1 hour strong bullish doji with a cross of back to back 2 3 sessions low, and followed by we saw the 2 sessions of stronger bullish price action, showing that potentially the market to trend to that level where there is a high liquidity. This is an important resistance line here. So if we look at the 1 hour to see a little breakdown of that movement, we can see that there is a clean inverted head and shoulder formation, breakout with a 1 hour doji formation from the breakout, and expecting for this market to potentially to trend and again to create a new higher high. This is where if you look at, we can see the market now trying to drop down for a pullback. As soon as we will find suitable entry after a price action confirmation, we'll be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, hope that you enjoyed this education analysis. Make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I will see you soon in my next analysis.